How do you sort out the so-called jargon from real-world practices that work? Do the members of your organization find some business or technology advice utterly confusing? Welcome to Real Talk with Sam Holcman. In this program, we set the record straight, and in terms that business people and technology people can understand. Now, here is your host, Sam Holcman.
Welcome to this edition of Real Talk. I'm Sam Holcman. Thanks for joining me. And the topic for this particular broadcast is why real enterprise architects and real business architects ignore the AI hype machine. I didn't say ignore AI. I said ignore the AI hype machine. AI is everywhere, on every page, in every boardroom pitch, and across every trend report that you can possibly get your hands on. But as many seasoned leaders and practitioners know, what creates lasting competitive advantage and competitive edge is not the technology buzzword of the moment. It is having a model that empowers smart choices, no matter what tool is in play at the specific moment. Today, I want to challenge the status quo. It is not AI-powered strategy that drives transformation. It is not AI-powered strategy that drives transformation. It is strategy-powered architecture built through proven enterprise architecture, EACOE, and business architecture, BACOE practices and methodologies. The hype trap is AI is not a strategy. Businesses are drowning today in what's referred to as AI washing. Vendors relabeling yesterday's features as tomorrow's magic. By adding AI into your enterprise architecture or business architecture doesn't mean you're delivering clarity, agility, or any measurable value. Too many organizations fall for buzzwords, then wonder why their investments fail to move the needle. What is the lesson? Real advantage comes from frameworks and methodologies that prioritize business outcomes, not technology headlines. Now, how true architecture enables and does not distract. EACOE and BACE methodologies start with the right questions. What is the business outcome we need? What capabilities and initiatives must we build or strengthen? Which tools, if any, should enable these capabilities? When AI fits, it's because it supports a clear business need, not the other way around. When it does not add value or trust, or it is not forced, is when the value actually occurs. This is how organizations avoid the costly trap of AI for AI's sake. Please remember, not long ago, cloud first was the same thing. Cloud for cloud's sake. Signs of substance. Architecture over AI washing is what we're looking for. How can people separate signals from all the noise that's out there? The most pragmatic leaders, those who are grounded in mature enterprise architecture and business architecture practices, ask the following. What outcomes does this actually deliver? Is this feature genuinely innovative or just rebranded automation? How does this integrate with our processes, people, and data standards? Those who cannot answer these questions have not built with enterprise needs in mind and risk security, scalability, and compliance issues. What we want to do is to build AI literacy on a foundation of business literacy. Today's most successful organizations don't start with AI. They start with education, equipping teams to understand the strategic why and how, And we suggest that EACOE and BACOE methodologies embed this mindset, preparing organizations to thoughtfully choose, implement, and scale new technologies, and only when it makes sense. What's the bottom line? Don't be led by hype. Be led by architecture. Every vendor is selling AI-powered tools. Only leaders grounded in structured enterprise architecture and business architecture are building for the future. This is what enables transformation, delivers measurable results, and earns trust from team members, customers, and stakeholders alike. The real question for everyone today is, are you chasing the AI hype or building a business that can leverage any tool, AI or otherwise, to achieve real strategic value? Please contact us. We can assist.
Thank you for tuning in to Real Talk. Be sure to join your host, Sam Holcman, again for another edition of our program. We'll have more real topics of discussion then.